Sorry, I'm short. Hi, everyone. My name is Charlie. I'm a UC Berkeley undergrad. I'm a third year going into my fourth year, so hint, hint, wink, wink, faculty grad school positions. Um, I've also been asked to say happy birthday to Aaron Meisner, so I figured this was the best place to do that. So I am also affiliated with Lawrence Berkeley Lab, where I do my research with David Schlegel. I am working on a project that essentially casts a super wide net over the legacy survey and the DESI spectra. That it's a spare fibers program that uses a very broad selection criteria on the DCAM photometry. You can see in the bottom left for you guys my selection. So basically anything that's 10 sigma away from the main locus in this 5-color dimension space, G, R, Z, and then the Y band or the Y's bands 1 and 2. The purple dots show brightness cut, so where G, R, and Z are of magnitude brighter than 22, just to show how dim this data set actually is. So it's a really big data set, about 2 million targets over the DCAM footprint, of which we have observed 96,000. You can see some great examples on your right of the photometry as well as the spectra. We see a cataclysmic variable, we see an emission line galaxy, which actually brings up a great point. Red rock is not great at targeting things, or not as good as we wish. So that emission line galaxy really should be in one of the surveys, one of the main surveys, but it ended up in my data set. Another one that another group that we found that shouldn't have been in my data set were these high redshift quasars, because those are also targeted separately as a spare fibers program. But I found 44 unique ones and something like 1,000 that were previously targeted. Yeah, and so most of my data looks like at the very bottom, which is kind of trash. So, yep, here are some more populations in the color space.